this one
So
is...
they could store stuff? They don't
Or
want...
we got grandkids and stuff. We want to be able to put some of their stuff down here.
Welcome to our latest video from Dependable Concrete. In this video, we're highlighting our recent work in Chestnut Hill, PA, where we revitalized a basement that was once wet, dark, peeling, and covered in dust. Our team completely transformed this basement into a clean, bright area. We restored all the walls with new cement, replaced the old concrete floor, and added a waterproofing system, which included a reliable sump pump to keep the basement dry. We have applied the first coat of cement to the walls, which was scratched to create a rough surface for the second coat to bond with. We will allow the first coat to dry for a full 24 hours before proceeding with the final coat. 24 hours expired and we have completed the final coat of cementing these walls, resulting in a smooth and flat surface. Additionally, we have filled in any deep pockets and holes, effectively preventing mice and insects from entering this basement. The next step in this project is to pour the concrete floor, then paint the walls. At this stage of the project, we have applied 2 coats of cement to the walls, installed a reliable waterproofing system with a sump pump, poured a 3-inch concrete floor with a vapor barrier, and painted the walls a bright white. Now the final step in restoring this dark, wet, dusty basement is to paint the floor. Now this basement is fully transformed into a dry, dust-free, and rodent-free, bright space that our client can truly enjoy. They can now utilize this space for storage, and their grandchildren can have a safe and comfortable play area. Our team is thrilled to have successfully completed a renovation which meets and exceeds our clients' expectations. Please like, share, and subscribe by clicking the yellow mixer icon and tap the bell icon to be notified of our next project. Thank you.